Welcome to the CCNA video training session. This training course is created based on new curriculum of Cisco Certified Network Associate Exam Code 200301 and version 1.1, which is designed to help new students to understand basic networking technologies like routing, switching, security and wireless followed by automation. The targeted viewers of this course are those who want to pursue career in the networking field and get certified with the CCNA exam. The overall video covers presentation slides for each topic followed by hands-on lab sessions that helps understand technology which are described in detail in the presentation. You can follow the labs pausing this video once you are able to understand the topic and given tasks and verify upon completion with the solution provided within the video. The lab workbooks has been designed and developed by myself, which will be available for download with its solution as we move through the course. I have prepared this session to help new students understand in simple language and tried to cover very basic things within the scope of networking. Another reason to make this video is that I wish to deliver CCNA training as well as real-time experience to my students. I am a double CCIE in routing and switching and service provider and Juniper JNCI certified in service provider track. I have been in this industry for around 15 years now and been training people for last 10 years. So, without getting any further delay, I would like to go through the course outline and following slides. In this course, the OSI reference model is covered to begin with, as this topic is very important for us to understand end-to-end data communication. In next topic we will go through the IP version 4 addressing and subnetting followed by summarization. We will also learn how to differentiate between private and public IP addresses. Once we understand IP addressing, subnetting and summarization topics, we will be going through the basic router configuration where we configure IP address on the interfaces based on the given diagram. We will do some reachability test using ping command. For the time being, if you are not aware of ping, no need to worry, we will cover this as we move through the slides. The next topic will be IP routing, which will be a little longer topic but still we will cover one by one. In CCNA, routing protocol covers majority of the portion since it covers most of the IP routing protocols like EIGRP, OSPF, RIP and BGP as well. In IP services section, we will cover IP services that we can run on the Cisco iOS software. We will learn and check functionality of most of the services on the Cisco iOS router. CCNA also covers some network security related topics like access control list and network address translation. When we talk about network security, the data traffic crossing a network boundary should be checked and given a treatment with permit or deny. We will explore more about this in the firewall technologies section. The next generation routed protocol is IP version 6. It has many advantages if we compare with the recent version of IP. With the change in version and addressing format, we will learn how IP version 6 routing is different than regular IP version 4 routing. By the time we complete IP version 6 topic, we will be concluding IP routing section, which will cover most of the CCNA topics. In the switching topics, we will cover how MAC address is learned and frames are forwarded by the network switches and so on. All the topics like VLAN and STP section followed by Ether channel cover majority of the switching section. Virtual LAN is widely used technology which drags other interesting features that are all covered in the later topics. Next topic will be HSRP, which is one of the widely used technology that allows users to have multiple IP default gateways. By the time we understand the majority of routing and switching topics, we will understand the use of this protocol followed by the other similar industry standard protocols. In the wireless section, we will be focusing more on the centralized wireless architecture as opposed to the regular standalone Wi-Fi system that we use in home or small businesses. The wireless system in the enterprise level is a little bit different and it might be difficult to understand the overall architecture. One thing I can assure you that if you follow all the topics carefully and do all the labs provided, you will become a good network engineer who can manage an enterprise network in mid-level independently. Now, we are at the end of this course outline. Sometimes we end up in a situation where our device might crash or it loses entire configuration, or even you might forget your router password. Remember that it comes under the maintenance of a device where you may need downtime. These are covered in these last couple of topics, and it's going to be interesting. Make sure to get connected till the end. At the end, the new topic for automation has been added recently by Cisco. It will help us understand how to automate configuration when it comes to time-consuming activities that can be simplified with the help of programmability. In the next video, we will go through the OSI reference model. Make sure to subscribe and give your feedback. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.